Aging does not mean that we stop looking and feeling our best. Most of the times, we don't have time for a full face. That's where these 3 products from Revant Cosmetics come into place. Their brow filler, their eyeliner, the mascara. They are particularly designed to just enhance your natural features, giving you and me that fresh, that modern look. For years, I've always kept my makeup routine simple, and I love it that way, but I still want to feel and look fabulous. So stick around, girl, and I'll show you how these 3 products can fit perfectly in your daily routine without doing too much. Started off with adding a little bit of the MAC tinted moisturizer, and I feel like if you're not going to wear any type of foundation, a tinted moisturizer is really good because it adds color to your face. It gives you a great coverage. And then some of the things that I think are very important when you are trying to give yourself an added look with gray hair is the brows. I always say that brows is a facelift without surgery. Shaping your brows is very important. Even if you have thin brows, you still need to keep them clean. And keeping them clean means giving you like that extra added arch. So if your brows don't have any type of arch, giving them that arch will help you fill in your brows a little bit more. And what I love about the Revant Cosmetics eyebrow filler with the liner is that the color that I chose is a brown. It's a dark brown, and the tones are very cool. And I love that because it gives me a natural look to my face. Now, if you watch this video that I did a couple years back, it gives you 3 different looks that you can do with your brows. So I love to fill in my brows. Like, that's very important. Even though my brows are pretty sparse, I love to create an arch to my brows. So I do most of my waxing myself. The last thing I do with my brows is usually add a little bit of powder so that it doesn't have that drawn on appearance, like your brows were just drawn on with a pencil. The powder just gives me a softer overall look. I love these multi-use products because they can be used everywhere. Y'all, my brows and my lashes are very sparse. I love to enhance my look with both of these, my brows as well as my cheeks and as well as my mascara. I have very thin lashes, so I love this mascara by Revant Cosmetics. Not only is it lengthening, it's also volumizing as well. So it really helps give my lashes that pop. I don't use mascara every single day, but when I do use it, if you can tell, and I got really close on the camera, you can really tell that how well it's filling in my lashes and making them longer as well as fuller, giving them the appearance that they are a lot thicker as well. And this eyeliner, guys, is game changing. I love it because it's considered a smudge-proof eyeliner. I've had situation for years that I don't care what eyeliner I use, it always would just smudge. But this eyeliner can be used on top of the eye and below the eye. And I don't get a lot of smudging at all when I'm using this particular eyeliner throughout the day. So I love it because it comes in so many different colors, and you can watch the video at the end where I explain all the colors and exactly why I love this eyeliner so much. So I hope you love the overall look that I created with Revant Cosmetics, the eyeliner, the mascara, and the brow filler. I am really and truly enjoying these products, especially the enhancement that it gives to my everyday look. And don't forget about the Mother's Day sale. It runs from April 29th all the way through May 5th. You can save an extra 22% off every cosmetic on the website without a code, but you can also save an extra 10% off of your order using my code here. And if you're watching this video and it's not Mother's Day in 2025, just remember that you can using our Go Grade Be Chic code. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you watch this video next because it's going to explain everything that you need to know about the Revant Cosmetics eyeliner. Peace.